Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on voice message transcript on WhatsApp. So to turn it on, you go to your WhatsApp, navigate to settings, go to chats, and right here you can turn on voice message transcript. When you turn it on, it's going to tell you to choose your preferred language. For now, there's only 4 languages available, so you can choose English, Espanol, Portuguese, or Russian. I'm going to choose English. When you click on it, it's going to tell you to download the English language setup. In my case here, it is 106 megabytes. Click on it. As you can see right here, it is downloading English voice message transcript. After that, when someone sends you a voice note, you can actually transcript the voice note instead of listening to it. So that's how you turn on voice message transcript on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.